How do we earn money by digital marketing? Harsh Gupta says, there are many ways in which you can earn money by digital marketing. The first way is to create an online store where people can buy products that you offer. The second way is to work for other companies as a freelancer. Another thing you can do is advertise your website on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter and get paid per click or share of the ad that appears on your site. Another way to earn money by digital marketing is affiliate marketing. This means that if someone clicks on an advertisement link provided by the advertiser, then they will be directed to a specific website where they will find information about their product or service and also receive additional offers from different advertisers related to the same product or service. The final way in which you can earn money by digital marketing is blogging. Writing blogs about different products and services that you provide helps promote them in front of potential customers and increase sales. Damian Kowalski says, you can earn money by digital marketing by being marketer for company. The better you are in marketing, the more money you make. Learning digital marketing for yourself, and using this in your bussiness, it is very effective and motivates you more to be better marketer because you are working for yourself. If you have marketing skills and experience, you can sell this knowledge to other people by doing courses or by paid webinars. Creating digital marketing company. These 4 ways are most profitable ways to make money from digital marketing. Have awesome day smiley face. Vladislav Podolyako says, traditional marketing brought you a lot of money back in the days, but you also had to invest a lot of it to make it work. Digital marketing offers a low-cost solution for your business. You can use content marketing to advertise your business without paying anything, if you know how to write content which would suit the targeted audience, and you can actually make money, especially when it comes to blog posting. You could link Google AdSense to your blogs and monetize it by hosting ads which can help you get more income. Not only that, but blogging can be a great way to catch the eye of your potential customers. By using affiliate marketing, you can generate a commission by promoting the products of a company you are cooperating with. This can help you earn a lot, especially if you have a lot of money to invest. This way you can hire even celebrities to use your affiliate links or codes, which can bring money for both sides. Since many use phones to buy products online, you can also use app-based marketing, which is another recent trend in digital marketing world. You can put your ads on almost every app there is and expand your audience in a short time. Thanks for watching our video on how do we earn money by digital marketing.